In this lecture, we are going to find out the expression for minimum required speed for a vehicle moving inside a well of death. Well of death. It is also called as मौत का कुआं. Okay, so you might have seen this well of death in some local fair where a stuntman do this stunt on his vehicle, and this vehicle is moving in horizontal circles on a vertical wall. So let first we'll draw a force diagram for well of death. So well of death has vertical walls and stuntman do this stunt in horizontal circle along these vertical walls. Let us show the forces. The weight of the vehicle is acting vertically downward. Then the surface of this wall will provide the necessary reaction, or it exert the normal reaction on the vehicle. Centrifugal force is acting away from the center, and as the vehicle is moving horizontally, it will tend to slide down. Therefore, the force of static friction is acting in upward direction. The force of static friction is acting in upward direction. So this is the normal reaction towards center. Then this is the force due to static friction. This is mr omega square, and this is mg, weight of the vehicle. So these forces are acting on the vehicle which is at this point. Okay, so let us start with the expression. Figure shows a vehicle moving inside a well of death. Let r is the radius of well of death, then m is the mass of vehicle. So this mass of vehicle also includes the mass of rider plus vehicle. Okay, so the mass of rider is also included in the mass of vehicle. Now we'll write down the forces acting on vehicle. Here we can see four forces. One first force is the weight of the vehicle acting vertically downward, then the normal reaction acting towards center of wheel, then the force of static friction acting vertically upward, and centrifugal force is acting away from the center of wheel. So we'll just write down these four forces. First is the mass of vehicle acting vertically downward. Magnitude is mg. Second, the normal reaction on vehicle from surface is towards center. Magnitude is n. And third is the force due to static friction. This force prevents vehicle from sliding down, from sliding, is acting in upward direction, and its magnitude is Fs. And the fourth force is the centrifugal force acting away from center, and its magnitude is mr ओमेगा स्क्वेअर. सो अशा प्रकारे हे चार फोर्सेस याच्यावरती ऍक्ट होतात. स्क्रीन पॉज करून हे सर्व नोटबुकमध्ये लिहून घ्यायचं. विल सी दी नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन. नाव at equilibrium means when the vehicle is moving along the horizontal circle, these horizontal forces will balance each other and these vertical forces will balance each other. So therefore we'll balance the vertical and horizontal forces. So balancing vertical forces. So vertical forces are Fs is equal to mg. This is equation number 1. Then balancing horizontal forces. Horizontal force मध्ये n is equal to mr omega square. N is equal to mr omega square, which is equal to mr v square upon r square. Substituting the value of omega, which is equal to m v square by r. Equation number 2. Now the value of Fs is equal to mu s into n, where mu s is the coefficient of static friction. Coefficient of static friction. So for this value, from equation 1 and 2, we can write Fs is equal to mg is equal to mu s into n is equal to mv square by r. We have just substituted the values of Fs and n in this equation. F is equal to mu s into n. So m will get cancelled. V square is equal to r into g divided by mu s. R into g divided by mu s. Therefore, V is equal to square root of Rg upon mu s. V is equal to square root of Rg upon mu s. So this is the expression for minimum value of speed of a vehicle moving in well of death. It is the minimum speed required for a vehicle moving inside a well of death, right? So write down all these things in the notebook.